Hey everybody, today's episode we are finally mounting the wheels and the tires. So somehow we have to fit all 8 of these things in the Civic. I don't know if it's possible, but I have no choice. So we're gonna give it a shot and see what happens. So 3 tires in and the trunk is already full. I will probably, I don't know. Let's see what we can fit inside. So everything actually fits really nicely. The wheels, I didn't have to fold anything down. Everything fits in there. Everything fits. I got one tire up here, all the wheels inside, and then tires in the back. So should be good to go. So guys, the way I've set this up, I actually still have 100% vision, 100% access of all my mirrors. Well, 75% of all my mirrors. And this should work out pretty nicely. So we'll see you guys at the tire shop. Okay, so wheels are on. We went over to garage 111, got them mounted, balanced, and they are on. So in the front we're running Pirellis, and in the rear we're running some random China brand, pretty bad, but the back has the most camber, so I thought I'd put the bad ones on the back. And as you can see, it fills out that wheel well pretty nicely. It's all the way at the edge, not poking. Just a pretty good daily fitment. No rubbing or scrubbing, but it looks good. I think in the back, the alignment was like almost 3 degrees camber, almost like high 2s, 2.8 or 7 or something. And then in the fronts are acceptable, of course. The front doesn't really camber that much. But I do need to go back and get the toe dialed in. The toe in the front is a little off. Not a problem. I plan on burning, those tires are kind of worn anyway from the previous owner. I plan on burning them down and then just moving the Pirellis to the back and getting some Indy 500s for the front in 225 instead of 215. That way I'll hook a little better. Haven't done any spirited driving yet, but so far I'm just enjoying the way it looks. I think it definitely made the car look a lot better. 215s on an 8-inch tire, a little bit of stretch. You can see it the most in the front. That the tire's a little stretched on there. The ideal fitment would be a 225, but didn't really want to buy wheels or tires right now. I will be doing that once on the back go, which I'm not sure if they're gonna go soon or not. The camber is almost 3 degrees, so I'm probably looking at some camber arms for the back. The front is like nothing, like factory spec in the front, but the back I definitely need some camber arms. So we're gonna look at that. It's not like crazy. Like I know 2.7 isn't like a crazy amount of camber, but it's definitely enough to notice when looking at it. And I feel like if I get some camber arms, it'll definitely help that top of the wheel of the tire poke out a little bit more, so it doesn't look as tucked, because the back does look a little more tucked than the front. The front is probably the most flush, and the back is just slightly in there more. Still, the gap is pretty good still with the tires. I know it helped the front a lot. I feel like poking the tires out more kind of eliminated more of that gap. But yeah, it definitely looks nice. Rides better than my winter tires, of course. More responsive, better handling. But I haven't really done spirited driving yet, so I can't really tell you how much better it is. But what do you guys think? I like the look. I think it definitely increased aesthetics of the car. The previous wheels, the stock wheels, were pretty beat up, so definitely a change. Good or bad, let me know. I'm thinking next, aside from the control arms, camber arms, I'll probably get a Carouse design aero flap And I was looking at those Mugen window visors. I know the OEM ones are the exact same, just without the Mugen branding. So I might just get the OEM window visors, put those on. Cruise Design flap, maybe that Icon Motorsports rear visor for the rear window. I think those look nice sometimes, but I just don't want it to be too ricey. I do like the simple look, simple and clean look. And I'm trying to keep that, you know, just wheels lowered. Not gonna do a chrome delete. I feel like that's a little tacky on a Honda. It's not a Hellcat, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, let me know what you guys think about the new setup. I think it looks really nice. It's a daily setup. I'm not gonna go any lower. In the future, if I do want to upgrade to coilovers, I'll probably go for the same ride height. So, but I doubt that'll happen. But yeah, thanks guys for watching. Please leave your feedback in the comments. Wheel and tire specs are in the description in case you want to replicate this fitment. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you guys next time.